PWC stands for Personal Watercraft. PWCs must be registered, and in some states, operators of PWCs must obtain an endorsement on their general boat operator licence. In all states there are speed limits in the vicinity of swimmers, divers, other vessels, the water's edge, wharves, jetties and boat ramps. Details of the specific distances and speed limits in each state are in the respective safety handbooks. PWC operators must wear an approved PFD. They should also wear suitable footwear, goggles and gloves for safety's sake. And they should never drink and ride. The two most common complaints received about PWCs are operating too close to other water users and noise. PWC operators can keep their noise down by not continually operating in the same area. If towing a water skier, the normal water skiing rules apply, including the need to carry an appropriate observer on the PWC. Water skiing, aquaplaning and wakeboarding are popular and exciting activities on the water. In some states, skiing is only permitted from 1 hour before sunrise to 1 hour after sunset. In other states, it is only permitted during daylight. The operator is responsible for ensuring the waterway is safe for skiing. Check for sufficient depth of water, sufficient width to make turns safely, and any hazards. Because the boats travel at high speeds, it is important that the operators know the local rules and obey all the speed and distance restrictions. Local rules are usually displayed on signs at the boat ramp or on the local charts or maps. You should refer to your safety handbook for details of your state's speed and distance regulations. The skier or person being towed must wear an approved PFD at all times. It is also a good idea to wear a wetsuit for protection too. This wetsuit has a PFD built into it. Any vessel towing a person must have an observer of the appropriate age for your state. In Victoria, this is at least 12 years of age. The observer must watch the people being towed and report all matters affecting them to the driver. It is wise to agree hand signals beforehand. Some recommended hand signals are: nod the head to start, thumbs up to go faster, thumbs down to slow down, extend forefinger and thumb sideways for a little bit. You can use the number of fingers for speed required, in this case 32 knots. Arm raised with the thumb and forefinger making an O for OK, for speed OK. Rotating your forefinger in a circle up in the air to indicate which way you wish to turn. Tapping yourself on the head with one hand means, I want to go back to dock. Slitting your throat with your finger indicates stop. If the skier is okay after a fall, they should always raise an arm over their head until seen by the boat. A maximum of 3 people can be towed at once. The vessel towing the skier or skiers must have the carrying capacity for the operator, observer, and the number of persons being towed. In some places, access lanes to the shore are unrestricted in speed, solely to allow picking up or dropping off water skiers. They are usually marked with beacons on the shore. Each boundary of the access lane is delineated by the alignment of an orange disc and a black and yellow triangle beacon. Or, in some cases, green access buoys in the water are used instead. For safety's sake, the operator should slow down and then stop the engine a safe distance from the skier before collecting the skier. The skier should enter the boat over the stern whenever possible. A helping hand is often appreciated.